Since the birth of the very first automobile, we've strived for a safer driving experience. From the windshield wiper, to the seat belt, to airbags for both drivers and passengers. But at the turn of the millennium, Mobileye reimagined auto safety by designing the first ever camera-only collision avoidance system. Now with Mobileye 8 Connect, we've expanded into a world of connectivity. It's a system so advanced, it recognizes potential dangers ahead, even at night. But this is just the beginning. Mobileye is crowdsourcing communication to vehicles like never before. By linking Mobileye 8 Connect to the cloud, we're able to aggregate data from drivers everywhere, which means vehicles with Mobileye can access information about driver behavior and environmental changes through real-time alerts. But Mobileye 8 isn't just about enhancing safety, it's about mapping roads for the autonomous vehicles of the future. Welcome to the next chapter. Mobileye 8 Connect, safety today for the autonomous tomorrow.